To make Kung Pao chicken you will need some key ingredients like chicken, peanuts, ginger, garlic, soy sauce, and red chili peppers. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Cut boneless chicken into small cube-sized pieces. 2. Heat a pan or wok with some oil on medium heat. 3. Add minced ginger and garlic to the pan, sauté until fragrant. 4. Add chicken pieces and stir fry until they are cooked and no longer pink. 5. In a separate bowl mix soy sauce, a bit of vinegar, and some cornstarch with water to make a sauce. 6. Pour the sauce into the pan along with some red chili peppers. Stir everything together. 7. Add peanuts and continue cooking for a few minutes until the sauce thickens. 8. Turn off the heat and your Kung Pao chicken is ready to be served.